Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, April 16th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 16.5 points to 2673 and 3/4 per contract. All in all, futures are higher ahead of the opening bell. It looks like over the weekend we did have missile strikes in Syria, but the market does not seem to be concerned about it, and we'll see how it all goes today. Remember, there are lots of geopolitical events out there, and we are just getting into the start of earnings season. We have a couple of earnings today. They're not real big, but Bank of America is the big one today. So let's start with that stock. Right now, you're going to see it trading at $29.84. It closed at $29.80 on Friday. It did have a little upticking here a little while ago, but that has faded. So again, really a flat open for BAC today. Now remember, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup reported last Friday. Those stocks got really hit pretty hard. So again, put a little bit of a negative sell side action on the banks, and today they're not showing us much strength with the Bank of America earnings release. So again, be a little bit cautious here with all the bank stocks. They're really not showing us much strength, although the markets are holding up very, very well. But rarely do markets go much higher without the financials. So we'll see how that plays out today. We'll be watching Bank of America today. Once the opening bell rings, we'll see if there's a play out here for that name. Right now, I'm not seeing anything that I would be looking to do right off the bat. So we'll be looking at BAC. We'll see what kind of pattern it gives us once the opening bell rings this morning. Let's take a look here at Costco, COST. It looks like this was upgraded this morning. Stock closed at $188.91. It is now trading at $191.42. So good little pop there for Costco, but there's a lot of resistance that is in play here at this 191.50 area. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, just leave it alone at the moment. There's a lot of resistance. You have a big gap window for Costco going all the way back to March 6th if you take a look at the daily chart, and that's right up there around that 191.50 level. So again, that's a big gap resistance point. Costco with a nice little pop, but again, lots of resistance are in play for COST off the back of that upgrade. Let's take a look at JBHT. I believe this is trading on the back of earnings as well, but you can check it out for yourself. Right now the stock is trading at 112.77, so no pre-market activity, but this will be a mover once the opening bell rings. So keep it on the radar. We'll see where it goes. Nothing to do just yet, but again, we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings this morning. Let's take a look at Ulta Salon, or Ulta Beauty as it's called now. ULTA is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $225.60, closed at $220.88. So nice little pop there for ULTA. This is on the back of an upgrade as well. So again, lots of resistance are in play at the moment, but nonetheless, stock is higher. Let's take a look at Kraft Heinz. KHC is the ticker symbol here, and this is getting a downgrade today. So this is on the back of a downgrade. Stock is trading at $59.90. It has been a weak name anyway. They are downgrading at an extreme low, which I always am a little bit cautious of, but nonetheless, stock is gapping down a little bit this morning. This stock is a tough one to find a real good level, just because when they merged two companies together, you know, it really happened in August of 2015. We just don't have enough data to go off of. So again, a little bit tougher name, but a downgrade at extreme lows. I'm always looking for some kind of a bottom to be formed. So that'll be on my radar today. We'll be looking at that once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at BCS, good old Barclays. This is moving on an upgrade today. So again, this stock has been moving a little bit higher this morning, trading at $12.41, closed at $12.21. I'm not sure we can make too much out of it. When you look at the daily chart, you know, we had a good little reversal sell on Friday with most of the other banks, but the weekly chart tells me there's still a lot of resistance in here too. So again, be a little bit careful. Nice move for Barclays though, but again, I don't know if it's going to go a whole lot further from where it is at the moment without more consolidation, but we will keep it on the radar. Let's take a look at ALKS. which is Alchemies. Now, this stock was hammered just a week or so ago. Now, today, it is really gapping up nicely higher. So, it closed at $42.53. Now trading at $48.50. Briefly got above $51 today. It looks like the FDA will review their depression drug just about a couple weeks ago, or a little bit less than that. The FDA said they would not review it. Now they are going to review it. So stock really got hammered over here back in late March, early April, and now you're seeing a nice little pop up today. Again, it's still not recovered. Still has not recovered from all that it lost. But nonetheless, it is back up to $48.50. So we'll keep that on the radar. We'll see how it plays out, and we'll see where we go. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up $1 today to $1,338.90 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that is trading at around $127.60. Gold remains in a very, very tight sideways range. Many people are expecting a breakout in gold. Others, like myself, think we're probably at the top end of the range and we stay in there. But again, gold is hanging in there pretty well today. Let's take a look at crude oil, down about 57 cents to $66.85 a barrel. Take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. You'll see that's trading at around $13.47, closed at $13.55. So you got a little bit of an uptick there. Oil has been very, very strong with all the geopolitical tensions that are taking place in the Middle East, and we'll see how it plays out today, as we don't really see any signs of any Middle Eastern peace talks going on. But nonetheless, oil benefits from that turmoil in that region. So we'll see where it goes. All in all, crude oil, again, down a little bit today by about 58 cents at the moment. Right now trading at $66.80 a barrel. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Earnings season is just about to get underway. It officially kicked off on Friday with the bank earnings. We had some real nice trades in there on Friday, and we're going to look to get more and more trades going forward. We'll get morning gap plays, lots of activity coming along, and don't forget, you have the added volatility in this market. So we should have an excellent earnings season coming up, and that all starts today. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room and trade right alongside of us. Like I said, earnings season just getting underway. There should be lots of activity out here. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session. God bless, and we'll see you on the chart.